In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track hashtags on Hootsuite. Whether you're a social media manager, a business owner, or just curious about how to leverage Hootsuite for better hashtag analytics, today's guide is tailored just for you. Tracking hashtags is crucial for measuring campaign success, understanding your audience, and refining your social media strategy. So let's dive in and master this essential skill together. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the Hootsuite website. Hootsuite is a powerful tool that allows you to manage multiple social media accounts in one place, simplifying your social media management. Once the web page is loaded, you'll notice the option to log in. Click on the login button to proceed. This step is the gateway to all the features and functionalities Hootsuite offers, including tracking hashtags. Now you're prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to input the email associated with your Hootsuite account to avoid any access issues. After typing in your email, it's time to enter your password. Passwords are the keys to our digital kingdoms, so remember to keep yours secure and not share it recklessly. After you've entered your login credentials, click on the Sign In button to access your Hootsuite dashboard. This dashboard is your control center, where you can monitor, schedule posts, view analytics, and yes, track hashtags. Once you're signed in and looking at your Hootsuite dashboard, you might be wondering where to go next. Look for the three-dot icon on the dashboard. This icon often signifies more options or settings in many web interfaces. Clicking on it should open up a drop-down or pop-up menu with various choices. From the options presented, click on Stream. Streams in Hootsuite allow you to monitor different types of content, including posts, mentions, messages, and hashtags across various social networks in real time. It's a powerful feature that gives you a comprehensive overview of what's happening with your brand or topics of interest on social media. Now, within the stream section, navigate and click on My Boards. Think of boards as customized spaces or dashboards within Hootsuite that you can personalize with different streams for monitoring. Here's where it gets exciting for hashtag trackers. In My Boards, you have the ability to tailor your Hootsuite setup to specifically keep an eye on particular hashtags. This customization is particularly useful for campaigns or branded hashtags, allowing you to see how they are being used across social media platforms. Now you might be wondering about the analytics part. How do you actually analyze the data on these hashtags you're tracking? The good part about Hootsuite's boards and streams is that they provide a visual representation of the engagement with the hashtags. You can observe trends, peak times of activity, and even sentiment around the hashtags. This insight is invaluable for adjusting your strategy, understanding what's working and what needs tweaking. Here's a pro tip: while tracking hashtags, it's important to also keep an eye on the overall engagement metrics and not get too fixated on just the number of times a hashtag is mentioned. Quality over quantity is a good mantra here. Are influencers mentioning your hashtag? Is it generating positive conversations around your brand? These are some of the qualitative aspects that can provide deeper insights beyond just numbers. Additionally, monitoring your hashtag performance can help in identifying potential areas for improvement in your social media strategy. Perhaps a certain type of content tagged with your monitored hashtag performs better, prompting you to adjust your content planning accordingly. Or maybe the analysis reveals that your hashtag is popular during specific hours or days, helping you to optimize your posting schedule for maximum visibility and engagement. In conclusion, tracking hashtags on Hootsuite is not just about collecting data, it's about gaining actionable insights that inform your strategy, help you connect better with your audience, and ultimately achieve your social media goals. Remember, the key to successful hashtag tracking is regular monitoring and being ready to adapt based on the insights you gain. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to track hashtags on Hootsuite. I hope you found this guide informative and helpful. Remember, social media is always evolving, and so should your strategies. Happy hashtagging, and see you in the next video.